where I used to clean up my fridge. So I'm going to start off by adding water. So I added 3 glasses of water. So I added baking soda. This is to clean and wash. So I'm going to add some salt to the water. So I'm going to add white vinegar. Guys, can you see? Whoa. This is boiling. I'm going to add lime as green lemon. So I'm going to extract some lime juice on it. So I extract it here to pour it inside the spray bottle. So I'm adding the lime to the spray bottle. So I add more vinegar. Wait. So this is my mixture to clean my fridge. Let's clean this fridge here. So I'm pulling off everything from the fridge. Okay, let's bring this fridge back to life. Yeah. It's all sparkling like brand new. So it's giving brand new vibe. Yo, this fridge is sparkling, guys. This is how sparkling this fridge is. Very clean. Vinegar does a great job. Vinegar, baking soda, green citron. It does a wonderful job. This is a natural way to clean your fridge. We are applying any of those chemical cleaning liquids. This is just the best way. Everything is looking so great. So it's time to restock the fridge. I got a lot of stuff down. This is why I didn't want to open it, but it's all good. The fridge is looking so clean.